Hello everyone, myself Varun Bhardwaj, and today I'm going to explain my task 3.1, which is presistance layer. In our presistance layer, we have to create a two new file in the name of presistance and giving a data access to our code. Now for this task, what are the technology stack requirements? For this task, we require a PostgreSQL database so that we can show our database in that. Here are the steps how we can install our Postgre. All the steps are given and how we have to create all this all the tables, or we can say database in our Postgre is given in the task sheet. Now in further I will show you all my Postgre tables and database. Now let's move toward the code. So here is my code for the presistance layer. It is the implementation of the full API code. We can say I have just extended the full API web implement code, and I have created two new files, that is robot command and map data access in this. Now moving on, robot command. Now for robot command we have using an npg-sql. Now what does this do? Now this section import the npg-sql namespace, which provide the functionality to interact with the PostgreSQL database. With this we have using ng-sql. Now with the ng-sql we have created a public start robot command. Now we have given a private constant connection string. We have given a local host username Postgre. You can see database as a Postgre, which is connected to npg-sql with the password and database name SIT331. Now in this you can see a connection string. What does this do? Now connection string constant hold the connection information for accessing the PostgreSQL database name SIT331 hosted on a local host. As you see, local host, we have hosted it. It includes the host address, username Postgres, and password of all the user detail. Now moving on for the line of the code, we have created public state commands. For this, the get robot command, all this we have created a database. Now the get robot command is a method retrieve a list of robot command from the database. Inside the method, a new npg-sql connection object is created using the connection string. As we have seen a connection string, a new connection is created, and the open method is called the establish connection to a database. Now we have created our database, how we can insert all our commands in our database with the command parameters add with value id, that we add commands to our database, it will show. Now update commands, for this we have also created a database in which all this delete command, all this will be shown in the Postgre and Postman. I will show you. Same with the map data access, all we have created two data access. Now let's go to our code is running, as I have already said. Now if we go to our code and want to send this, see, if I will send the request, it is sending all 200 okay with the, you can see port number is 5190, and again the port number for here is also 5190. You can see that I have working on my database only. Now if we go to the robot command and again send to this, again the data is coming, robot command id, again I have sent to this, the data will come. All this I have shown you. Now if how this data is coming, it is connected to our Postgre data SQL. Now it is my Postgre data SQL. There are the two tables I have created, which is a map and robot command. If I go to the map, see, I have created a map I have added a new data command, that is north, in our map. In which I have created all the robot command, all the maps database, that is id, name, row, column, square, etc. Again if I go to the robot command, as I have seen public robot command, I have added 3 database entries in this with the help of this query in our command. Now if I want to now I can show you with the help of a schema file that I will download. Now if I want to download, I have opened my terminal. Now if I want to see if I can, I want to see is demo SQL. Now if I enter, password is, after I enter password, our schema file has been created in our folder where is our robot control API. You can see file is added demo. Now if I open the demo, it goes to our demo file in which all the securities, all commands are there. You can see all the commands that have created a SQL as integer. All command is given with the create. It is for the create table ID. For the robot command, there is a command integer name character. This all is being shown in the schema file. Again, for the map, it will also come. For map, it is above schema file. Create sequence. The all have been shown. All in this command is that. All in this code is that. Hope you understand it. Thank you.